Chapter 9th, exercise 9.3, question number 8. XY is a line parallel to side BC of a triangle ABC. Means we have to draw a triangle ABC. We have drawn here triangle ABC. XY is the line parallel to side BC. This is BC. We have to draw a parallel line XY to BC. And CF, if BE parallel to AC. Here BE, if it is parallel to AC is this, so BE we have to draw likewise BE. And CF parallel to AB, so CF, this is AB parallel will be, this is line AB parallel to AB, we have to draw CF likewise. Meet XY at E, here we have to meet it XY, this is XY at E here and F here. So show that area of ABF, here we have to show area of ABE, area of ABE. So we have to join E and A here and A and F, because we have to show area of ABE is equal to area of ACF. Now solution in given, we can write in triangle ABC, XY is parallel to BC. It is given to us XY is parallel to BC, BE is parallel to AC and CF parallel to AB. In to prove, we have to write AB, this line, area ABE is equal to area of ACF. Now let's see the proof. Whatsoever now given, we can write this. Firstly, it is given to us XY is parallel to BC. This is given to us XY is parallel to BC. So we can write, if XY is parallel to BC, we can say EY is parallel to BC. Now BE is parallel to AC. It is given to us. So we can say that BE is parallel to CY. If BE is parallel to AC, so we can say BE is parallel to CY, because CY is the portion of AC only. So now EY is parallel to BC. Now we have proved EY is parallel to BC and BE parallel to YC. Here we have proved this. Now BE is parallel to YC and EY is parallel to BC. So we can say that if one pair of the opposite sides, here this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this, so we can say that, so now BCYE, we can say it is parallelogram. BCYE is parallelogram. If you want to write the reason, you can write the opposite sides are parallel, that's why BCYE is a parallelogram. Now as we have proved BCYE is a parallelogram, similarly we can prove that BCFX is a parallelogram. In this, if XY is parallel to BC, so we can say that XF is parallel to BC, and here CF is parallel to AB, so we can say that CF is parallel to XB. So that only is written here. XY is parallel to BC and CF is parallel to AB. So XY is parallel to BC, we can say that XY is XF parallel to BC and CF parallel to AB, BX parallel to CF, as I have told you. So therefore BCFX is a parallelogram. Now parallelogram BCYE, as we have proved BCYE is a parallelogram and BCFX is a parallelogram. Now we can say that BCYE and BCFX, these are on the same base BC and between the same parallels EF. So we can say that then area will be equal of BCYE and BCFX. So that only is written here. Parallelogram BCYE and parallelogram BCFX are on the same base BC and between same parallels EF and BC. Therefore area of BCYE is equal to area of BCFX. This equation we will give name equation third. Earlier which we have proved parallelogram, then we will give to that first and second equation. Now we have proved the area of both parallelogram equal. Now we will take one triangle and one parallelogram. One triangle and one parallelogram. Here we can take ABE triangle and BCYE parallelogram. So now in triangle ABE and BCYE parallelogram, if we will take base BE. So we can write in triangle ABE and parallelogram BCYE are on the same base BE and between the same parallel BE and AC. So we can say that area of ABE is equal to half of area of parallelogram. Similarly, if we will take CFA or AFC triangle and BCFX parallelogram, we can say that triangle AFC and parallelogram BCFX are on the same base CF and between the same parallels CF and AB. So we can say here also area of triangle AFC is equal to half of area of parallelogram BCFX. So this is only I have written here. This is only written here. So we will give equation 4th and equation 5th. Now by equation 4th and 5th and third also we will take. Third equation was that in which we have proved both parallelogram area equal. So if we will take third, fourth, fifth, then we can write area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACF. That only we have to prove, because see here ACF, here ABE. Now this area and this area will be equal and these will be cancelled, because if we will take equation third also, this is equation 4th and 5th. If we will take equation third also, because in third equation area of this parallelogram and area of this parallelogram are equal. So if these parallelogram area equal, then their half of the area of also will be equal. So these are equal, these will be cancelled. We have not to show by cancelling, just it is understood. We will write here direct ABE and ACF. This only we have to prove, hence proved.